Keeping a moving character locked in the center of frame sounds simple until they move too fast for After Effects to track. Today, I'll show you two ways to do it: the manual method that always works and a 30-second trick that skips tracking altogether. Let's jump in. First, let's create a new composition. Here I'm using a 1080p by 1080p size. Next, import the clip you want to edit by double-clicking in the Project tab. Press S to bring up scale and P to bring up position. Select the clip, then head over to the Tracker tab and choose Stabilize Motion. This will bring up the tracker point, but before that, we need to trim the clip down to the part we actually want to use. Once that's done, position the tracker point somewhere with fairly high contrast. In this case, I'm going with the eye. Then click Track Motion. Now you'll notice the tracker is throwing an error, or more precisely, it's not following the object we selected. That's because the character is moving too fast, causing extreme pixel shifts. The fix is to manually place the tracker at the exact pinpoint we want, frame by frame. It's pretty exhausting if the clip is long and the frame rate is high. But don't worry, at the end, I'll share a quick tip so you won't have to do this manually. For now, let's finish it up this way. Once everything's set, just hit Apply and set the dimension to X only.
Successfully privatized world peace. Successfully privatized world peace. Successfully privatized world peace.
Now here's the fastest way to get the same result, but with a much easier method. Select the clip and press A on your keyboard. This brings up the anchor point. Make sure the character is centered, then move the playhead to the exact frame where the character starts to shift. From there, adjust the anchor point to bring the character back to the center of the frame. Repeat this across several frames. And here's the result. Pretty solid for a specific case like keeping a character centered.
Successfully privatized world peace.